Hello everyone, welcome back to the how-to video series of WP Ultimate CSV Importer. In this video, we will discuss about how to import or update your post content from your Google Sheets. Let's get started. CSV Importer lets you to import or update your post, page, WooCommerce or any other information right from your Google Sheets. And this is my Google Sheet with the different set of post fields. You have to mention the field values in the proper WordPress default format. So for example, I have used the default date format of WordPress here, that is year, month and date. To choose a particular value or particular category or author, you have to mention the appropriate name here. To choose a particular category, you have to mention the category name, and for authors, you have to mention the particular author name here. If you want to choose multiple categories, you have to mention the values using pipeline separator, and for tags, you have to mention the values in comma separation. For feature image, you can either use your WordPress media gallery URL or any publicly accessible external URLs here. So the post status with private and password protected, you have to mention your password within curly braces as I have mentioned here. So that's all about the CSV. So to import from Google Sheets, you have to get the Google Sheet URL. For this, click on File and click on Publish to the Web. You will get a URL like this. Just copy the URL and use it in our importer. Navigate to the Upload from URL section and paste the URL here and click on Continue. So now I am going to import a new content. So choose the value as new items and now click on Continue. If your CSV header is same as that of the WP fields, then importer will automatically map all the fields. So all the fields are mapped here. Now click on Continue. You can also schedule your import by mentioning the date and the particular time frequency here. Now I'm going to import all the values instantly. So just click on Import. So my values are imported. Now let's see the value. So this is my post with the title, content, and then 3 different categories and then tags. So that's all about the post import. Now let's see how to update your values. You can update the existing content based on your post ID, title or slug. Now I'm going to add one more tag to my existing tag information in the third post. Just adding a luxury. Now I'm going to update the value based on the post title itself. So for this, now I'm going to use the same sheet URL and now click on Continue. So now I'm going to update my existing values. So for this, choose the value as existing items here and click on Continue. So this is the mapping section. All the values are mapped. Now click on Continue. If you are updating based on your ID or slug, you have to choose the appropriate option here. Now I'm going to update based on the post title. So choose it as post title and click on Import. So my import is successful. Let's check whether the values are updated. So here is the additional tag luxury. So by this way, you can easily import or update any content from your Google Sheet with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Thank you for watching.